Welcome to the world of the Microsoft Azure Data Platform, your gateway to big data solutions in the cloud. This platform is designed to provide enterprise-scale data analytics and processing, enabling you to harness the power of your data like never before. Let's explore the core Azure data services that form the foundation of this robust platform. We'll highlight key services such as Data Lake Analytics, a serverless analytics service ideal for big data processing using USQL queries. We will also talk about HDInsight, a managed service that brings the power of Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka clusters to the cloud. Dive into Azure Data Lake Analytics, your serverless solution for big data processing. Its key features include a pay-per-job pricing model, the USQL query language, instant scaling capabilities, seamless integration with the data lake store, and built-in security and compliance. Here's a sample USQL query, where we extract name as a string and age as an integer from the input data.csv file, and output it to the output result.csv file. Discover Azure HDInsight, a fully managed cloud service designed to process massive amounts of data easily and cost-effectively. It uses popular open-source frameworks. HDInsight supports various technologies. It includes Hadoop for distributed processing. It also supports Spark for fast in-memory data analytics. It also includes Kafka for real-time data streaming. Lastly, it also supports HBase, a NoSQL database. Explore the different types of HDInsight clusters available. First one is Hadoop, best for batch processing with HDFS storage, and ETL and data warehousing. Second is Spark. It provides in-memory analytics and machine learning, and is suited for real-time analytics. Next is Kafka. Kafka is a real-time streaming data platform, and is used for event processing. The last one is HBase, a NoSQL database for large datasets, and is used for random access storage. Let's take a look at Azure Data Lake Store, a hyperscale data repository. It has some key capabilities like storing unlimited data of any size. It provides enterprise-grade security, high-performance analytics, and HDFS-compatible interface. It also has business benefits like no size limits or constraints. We only pay for what we store. It also provides built-in data protection, seamless integration, and global availability. Understand the typical data processing architecture within Azure. It starts with the ingestion of the data. That means data collection from multiple sources. Event hubs and IoT Hub are used for this. Then data is stored in the data lake store. After storing, the data is processed, which means transforming and cleaning the data using HDInsight and analytics. Lastly, data is analyzed for generating insights and reports using Power BI and ML Studio. Focus on Spark on HDInsight for fast in-memory analytics. Spark has advantages like it is 100 times faster than Hadoop. It provides in-memory processing. It supports multiple languages. It has built-in machine learning and stream processing. Here is a PySpark example where we read data from Data Lake, transform it, and save the results to a new location. Focus on the security and compliance aspects of the Azure Data Platform. It provides enterprise-grade protection. It has security features like Azure Active Directory integration. It provides data encryption at rest and in transit. It has role-based access control. It provides audit logging and monitoring. Azure also adheres to compliance standards, including SOC 1, SOC 2, and SOC 3. It is also compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Summarizing why you should choose the Azure Data Platform. It provides scalability from gigabytes to petabytes on demand without infrastructure management. The pay-as-you-use model reduces operational costs by up to 60%. There is seamless connectivity with over 200 data sources and Azure services. We can process data 100 times faster with in-memory analytics capabilities. Transform your data strategy with Azure. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.